How to find trending niches on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can find trending niches on Etsy step by step. So let's get into it. Today, we will be using Etsy.com. Etsy.com is a very famous e-commerce platform that allows you to create online store and you can sell different products. Now, when it comes to as a complete beginner, when it comes to Etsy, you might be confused that what niche you should go for and what kind of product you should create. You're doing your research, then this video is for you. So I'm going to show you some of the top niches on Etsy. First of all, the niche that actually does pretty well on Etsy is accessories. Now, accessory is the kind of niche that actually holds a very large audience on Etsy. You can see we have jewelry and accessories. In this, we have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings. And you can see this has more than 16 million results on Etsy with ads. This is one of the niche that has a lot of different stores. The competition is actually pretty high here too, but it depends on what kind of jewelry you will be selling. Different kinds of art, different kind of customizable jewelry does pretty good on Etsy. Similarly, when it comes to the vintage collections and something like that, that is also a really good product to go for. For instance, this one you can see an England coin necklace. This one is a best seller just for $6. And you can see this is like a very, vintage and like England coin jewelry. So this one is actually a best seller. Then you can scroll down to check funky jewelry here. There are different kinds of, crystal fairy necklaces, bracelets, all of these earrings and rings. These kind of product do pretty well. In this niche, again, we have earrings. So then we have necklaces, rings, bracelets, all jewelry, bags and purses, even, and body jewelry. So now it depends on you what kind of subcategory you want to go for. And you can go to all filters here. And if I go for Etsy Speak and the store sellers, let's actually apply that. And let me show you some of the best products available in this niche. There you go. You can see these are all best products. How to find these products, because that's what we are looking for. How to find these niches? Well, it's actually pretty easy to do. You can use the search bar right here within Etsy. This is our tool that I am using, and this is the tool that I would suggest to go for, because if you go for a third party tool, sometimes you have to pay for that, and sometimes the results are not organic. So you can use the search bar right here. You click on Etsy, and then it depends on what category you are searching for. Let's say I'm searching for rings. So I will just type in the word rings here, and it will actually give me all of these products and different pages, stores created on Etsy. Now, these are the different, products that are trending. For instance, we have rings box. Then we have rings for women, rings for men, rings dish, rings holder, rings set. So you can see all of these different niches and different products within this category. The next product you can go for is you can go to the clothings and shoes here. And here we can do more search into this category and check out how to find the trending niche. So for that, you can just simply click on, the parent category, which is clothing and shoes, right? So I will select on clothing and shoes, and it will take me to this, category. So we have more than 12 million results here. And now I can filter here and find the best, niches. For that, I can go to the sort by here and we can go with top customer reviews and most recent. So this is the one that you want to go for. Top customer reviews, because these are the products that are trending. These are the products that people are buying and customers are liking. So I have, filtered my search, and there you go. Now we have our results, and now I know that what kind of niche is trending, what kind of products are trending within clothing and shoes. So now I know that customizable clothes, customizable bags, and t shirts are doing pretty good within this parent category. So I can go for either t shirts, customizable, print on demand. I can even go with the keychains. Keychains are actually doing pretty well here. And we have like tote bags, and we also have shoes and bags as well. So you can search from here. If you want to find, the trending products on Etsy from any other platform, then you can actually go to TikTok and you can search for different products, because TikTok is actually kind of like a platform a lot of people use. And from TikTok, it gives you an idea of what kind of products are trending, because the more, famous people buy a product, the more reviews you will get. Review videos on TikTok, the more people buy that product, and it becomes a trending product. So you can use any other party. And another tool is social media tool to explore any of the products on Etsy. Now we're going to move on to the home and living, and I'm going to do the same thing. Let's say I deal in home and living. I am looking to create a store in home and living. So I'll go here, and now you can see this is one of the niche that does pretty well on Etsy, even more than the clothing and shoes. It has 23 million results. So you can see we have our results here, and you can see home and living, the art, the printable art. Etsy is really famous for this. The, these wall art and everything. So this is one of the niche and the category that you can go for. You can find the results right away here, and you can check if this niche is trending or not. Now we can go by sort by and top customer reviews, and it will show me the trending products within this trending category. Okay, there you go. We have our results. We have the original black and white modern art. Okay, so this is the price. Okay, then we have this one, the custom neon signs, printable wall art, customizable iron and wood. This is kind of like the iron for wood branding. Okay, so this was for the branding. Then we have the candles. We have different kind of products for home and decor. So this is actually a pretty good niche to go for, and you can see different kinds of products here. And Etsy is really famous for its, vintage products, the handcraft, and more. So within home and living, you can see we have outdoor and gardening. This is a niche. Lighting, storage and organization, home decor, kitchen and dining, bathroom, office and bedding. It depends on, the kind of room you want to decorate. With that, we'll go to the art and craft. There you go. This one has a lot of reviews. Etsy, again, as I said before, is really famous for its craft kits, art supplies, and other things. So you can see we have 13 million results with ads here. And you can scroll down to check out the different, crafts and handmade DIY, all of these different, crafts and collectibles. So you'll be able to find this niche here, which is one of the niche a lot of people don't think about. But if you can create something, you can create a craft, then Etsy is the platform for you, and you can create your own store. So doing this research within Etsy is really easy. You can just check the results, the organic results on Etsy. You'll be able to then find all of the different products, the trending products, trending different niches, and you'll be able to create your store and simply sell these products and make money. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.